Good morning everyone. My topic name is Introduction to Pharmacovigilance. First one, definition of pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovi- Pharmacovigilance definition according to WHO is science and activity relating to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effects or any other drug related problem is called as pharmacovigilance. Then, importance and purpose of pharmacovigilance program. First one is improve the patient care, or second one is improve the public health service to assess the benefit, risks, and effectiveness of the drug. Then to provide medicine or medical and paramedical patient is safe. Then scope of the pharmacovigilance. There are many scope of the pharmacovigilance. First one is adverse drug reaction or event. Then second one is interaction of medicine. Then third one is interaction of medicine. Third one is a medication error. Fourth one is a substandard medication. Fifth one is a abuse and misuse of medicine. And sixth one is a lack of efficacy. These are all scope of pharmacovigilance. Then product converted by pharmacovigilance. Which product is converted by pharmacovigilance? First one is a medicine. Second one is herbals. Third one is biologics. Fourth one is blood product, and fourth one is a blood product, and sixth one is a vaccine, and sixth one is a vaccine, and seven one is a medication error, and eighth one is a implemented and extraordinary. Then pharmacovigilance system. Pharmacovigilance system means firstly pharmaceutical industry is converted into national center, and this national center is the realter into the two way. First one is a healthcare service. The second one is a WHO, and this national center also converted into national regulatory authority. National regulatory authority also realtor converted into two way. First one is a outside the healthcare provider within outside the drug, and then second one is a outside establishment of medical authority. This is a pharmacovigilance system. And then importance of safety monitoring in medicine. First one is a preclinical animal experiment is converted into animal experiment. Have first one is a acute toxicity, then organ damage second, and third one is a dose related, and fifth one is a metabolism, sixth one is a kinetics, seven one is a carcinogenicity, eighth one is a teratogenicity, and nine one is a mutagenicity. These are preclinical animal experiment. And then next is a clinical trial experiment. Clinical trial experiment have include four phases. First one is a First phase is a study of participant is 20 to 80 healthy voluntary, and length of the study is several months to 1 year, and purpose is safety and dose related. Then second one is phase 2. Phase 2 is a study of participant is 100 to 300 disease volunteer, and length of the study is up to 2 years, and then purpose is safety and efficacy. Then third phase is study of participant is 300 to 3000 target disease volunteer, and then length of the study is 1 to 4 years, and purpose is efficacy, long term safety and adverse drug reaction monitoring. Then phase 4 is also called as then spontaneous reporting, then converted into phase 4. Phase 4 means included also known as post-approval trial or post-marketing surveillance studies. And then next one is adverse drugs reaction. Adverse drug reaction means unwanted, undesirable effect of drug is called adverse drug reaction. There are many classification of adverse. These are all includes in pharmacovigilance. Thank you.